Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tell me about yourself.
So, my name is Mohan Gupta, a BTech student in computer science. I enjoy coding, building websites, and learning about new technologies. I have worked on projects using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and machine learning. I'm a quick learner and like solving real world problems through code. My goal is to start my career as a software developer and keep improving my skills.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I'm good at team player and a fast learner. I stay calm and under pressure and always try to meet deadlines. I enjoy learning new technologies and improving my problem solving abilities. I'm also consistent and committed to my work. These strengths have helped me succeed in both academics and projects.
What are your weaknesses?
Um, my sometimes I take too long to perfect a task with delays other work. I have realized it's important to balance quality with time. Now I set deadlines for myself and focus on getting things done efficiently. I also used to hesitate in public speaking, but I'm improving them presentations by using presentations. I believe every weakness can be turned into a strength with efforts.
Why do we hire you?
I have a strong foundation in programming and web development. I am passionate about learning and adapting to new challenges. I can work well in a team and also handle tasks independently. I bring a positive attitude and problem solving mindset. I am confident that I will contribute positively to your team.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy watching tech videos and learning new tools online. I also like designing simple UIs and trying out front-end experiments. In my free time, I read blogs, listen to music, and play cricket. Sometimes I join coding contests for fun. Hobbies keep me relaxed and helps me grow creatively.
What programming languages do you know?
I was comfortable with Python, C, JavaScript. I use Python mostly for machine learning and data analytics. JavaScript helped me to build interactive websites. I have also used C uh, during my first year programming language.
What is your favorite subject?
I like I really enjoy learning. My favorite subject is GBMS, which is nothing but database management system.
What is the difference between tuple and list in a Python?
Same.
What is OOP?
OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming. It organizes code using objects which bundle data and functions together. The four main principles are inheritance.
What is inheritance in OOP?
Inheritance allows a class to inherit features from another class. It promotes code reusability and logical hierarchy. For example, a car class can inherit for a vehicle class. To avoid writing the same code again, Python and Java support inheritance with simple syntax.
What is the difference between list and tuple in Python?
Okay. Lists are mutable. You can change, add, or remove elements. Tuples are immutable. Once created, they cannot be changed. Lists are square. Lists are denoted in the square brackets. Tuples are in the parentheses. Lists are used when data needs to be modified. Tuples are used when the data should remain constant.
What is HTML?
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It uses to structure context on the web. With HTML, we define elements like headings, paragraphs, and links. It works with CSS and JavaScript for complete web page design. Every website you visit is built with HTML.
What is CSS?
CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's used to style HTML elements like colors, fonts, and layouts. With CSS, we can make websites local, attractive, and responsive. It separates content HTML from designs like CSS. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap make styling even easier.
What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a scripting language used to make a website very interactive. It can change content, respond to user actions, and handle logic. JavaScript runs in the browser, makes web page dynamic. It works more closely with HTML and CSS. Modern frameworks like React and Angular are built on JavaScript.
What is Git?
Git is a version control system used to track code change. It helps developers collaborate on the same project easily. You can save different versions of your coding using commits. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab use Git to host projects. Git is essential in modern software development.
What is database?
It's a simple question, basically a common question. A database is used to store and manage the data efficiently. It allows easy access, update, and deletion of records. Commonly, databases are MySQLs, like structured query languages, um, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. They are used in almost every web and software projects. Databases helps keep data organized and secure.
What is SQL?
SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's used to communicate with databases. You can use SQL to insert, update, delete, or retrieve the data. Basic commands include select, insert, update, and delete. SQL is most known for backend development and data management.
What is an algorithm?
An algorithm is a step-by-step method to solve a problem. It must be clear, finite, and efficient. Sorting, searching, and pathfinding are the common algorithms types. Good algorithms improve performance and speed. We implement them using programming languages.
What is the difference between GET and POST in HTTP?
Get is used to request data and show the data in the URL. Post sends data securely through the request body. Get is used for reading. Post is used for submitting. Get request can be bookmarked. Post request cannot, but post is more secure and used for forms.
What is an API?
An API allows two applications to talk to each other. It acts like a bridge between different software systems. APIs are used to fetch or send data from servers. For example, a weather app uses an API to get temperature info. I have used APIs in my project to pull live data.
Okay, tell me about your recent project. What you have done?
I built a machine learning model using logistic regression. It is my recent project. It predicts how flower species from the dataset. I used Python, pandas, and skit-learn. I split data into training, testing sets, and evaluated with accuracy. It helps me understand model training and tuning.
What challenges did you face in your last project?
Initially, my model has low accuracy due to unscaled data. I used standard scalar to normalize features. Then I tuned hyperparameters using grid search CD. They boosted accuracy and gave better results. The process taught me how important pre-processing is.
Okay, what technologies did you use in your earlier project?
I used Python, Pandas, NumPy, and skip-learn for machine learning. For data visualization, I used Matplotlib and Seaborn. Uh, I worked in Jupyter Notebook for a smooth experience. I also tried same model on Titanic and breast cancer datasets. They improved by classification knowledge.
Have you worked in a team or single?
Yes, sir. I have worked in a team during the college projects. We used GitHub to manage the code and divide work. Regular discussion helped us to solve bugs and improve the output. It improved my communication and problem solving skills. Teamwork made the projects more efficiently and fun.
Have you done any internships?
Yes, sir. I did a front-end internship remotely. I created a responsive website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I also helped in fixing layout issues and improving performance. The experience helped me to understand the real-world workflows. I gained confidence and clarity in writing clean codes.
Why do you want you to join in our team?
Okay, your company is known for innovation and learning cultures. I want to grow in a place where I can learn and contribute. And the projects here align with my interest in development. I'm excited about the opportunities for freshers. It's right place to start my career journey.
What are your career goals?
In the short term, I want to be a skilled software developer. I want to work on real world projects and grow technically. In 3 to 5 years, I aim to take up leadership in small teams. I also plan to learn new tools and like cloud and DevOps, developing operators. Long term, I want to be a senior engineer role.
How do you handle deadlines?
I plan tasks earlier and break them into uh, small works, day by day works, and I set mini deadlines for each step to avoid last minute rush. I avoid distraction and stick to the fixed routine. If I get stuck, I also ask for help early, easily and early who can help me. And the approach helps me to stay on the time and reduce stress.
How